Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name's Aaron Uppal. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm here to take you through our weekly wrap video. So I think I already did a video earlier in the week in regards to a dollar CAD trade that made over 300 pips over the course of June and the beginning of this month. So I'm going to be showing you another longer term trade that came into play, and on this trade it was the dollar yen. So firstly I'm going to show you the chart where it was published, then I'm going to take you to the live charts and show you the move. So firstly let me explain, obviously we provide one-to-one mentoring here, and we also provide a members area where analysis is provided, sort of technical and fundamental analysis, and this is where I'm going to take you to now. So the analysis, as we can see, is just here. So what we do in the opening article is that we're providing a good fundamental view of what's occurring for the day, just to give you an idea of what you should be looking for from a fundamental perspective, sort of a short summary, and the times of the day that you should not be trading around. Then we have sort of our daily chart analysis, and this is what I'm going to show you in just a moment. Our daily chart analysis is sort of where we provide some of our longer term swing trades, as well as some shorter term opportunities on there. We then have our methodology coming on below, and then each individual currency pair we've got sort of coming on different fundamental views, technical views and fundamental views. So the pair was the dollar yen. So let's have a look at the dollar yen. Now the level in mind was this level just here, which was 107.05 to 106.75. Okay, so that was the region of demand which we highlighted, which should be very good for a longer term reversal trade. Now usually on our longer term reversal trades you're looking at using around a 40 to 50 pip stop loss, and the targets you're looking for a minimum of at least a 2 or 3 to 1. Okay, so coming onto this particular trade, I'm going to show you the live chart. Now I've shown you the actual chart that was published. Let's go to the live chart. So this is the dollar yen chart. So what we can see, if I just remove a few of these lines, so 107 to 107.05 to 106.75 is just in this region here. So as you can see, the price has come into this region on the 25th of June. And just at the beginning of this week, sort of got to around 170 pips in profit from there. Okay, I know majority of clients who I've spoken to sort of took their profit in this region here, which was about 140 or so. Okay, which was previously major support, obviously resistance now. So many of our clients sort of took profit in that region, but you can see how simple the trading opportunity was. It's just a chart that was provided at the beginning of a particular week, orders that you just need to set up, and once you've set those orders up, just let them come to fruition. If they don't trigger, then no problem, they don't trigger and we just expire them off. But at least with this type of trading, you can do this around a full-time job. You're not stressing, or you're not worrying about looking at the charts all the time, and it's an easy 150 pips in just over a week. That's fantastic. 150 pips in one trade. That's the type of trading you want, trading for efficiency. So what we're doing is we're actually providing access to our members area and charts on a completely free sort of demonstration consultation call, where we take people through things. The way to access that is you go to our website, which is platinumtradingacademy.com. You can just fill your details in the home page here, name, email, phone number, and book your consultation. And that will essentially take you through to one of our traders, who will then call you, take you through things, give you an understanding of whether it's something that's going to be for you or not. The call, usually for the consultations, lasts around 30 minutes to an hour. But just thank you very much for watching today's video. Really do appreciate it, and we look forward to speaking to you next week, and we all hope you have a wonderful sunny weekend. Thank you.